மாடல் ஒரிஜினல் ஜிடி கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் பற்றி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஏன் இதை பற்றி போடுறேன் அப்படின்னா, இந்த கொரோனா காலத்தில் நிறைய பேர் வந்து எந்த ஒரு கோச்சிங் சென்டரும் போக முடியாமலும் இந்த மாதிரி தவிச்சிட்டு இருப்பீங்க. அதுக்காக தான் என்ன பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த மாதிரி மாடல் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் போடும்போது உங்களுக்குன்னு தனி ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா, அதனால தான் இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோ போடுறேன். தயவுசெய்து இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா தான் உங்களுக்கு புரியும். ஓகேவா? டோட்டலாக ஒரு 50 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்குது. இது அதே ஃபார்மேட் தான், அதாவது நம்ம இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கிற ஒரிஜினல் ஆர்மி கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் இருக்குங்களா, அதே ஃபார்மேட் தான். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு பாருங்கள், ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், த அர்ஜுனா அவார்ட் இஸ் given to. The right answer is outstanding sports person. Okay, next question, the main city of Kashmir Valley. The right answer is Srinagar. Okay, the next question, the dash is known as the land of midnight sun. The right answer is Norway. Been taken from Mugunda Akkapanist, first option. Then Chilka Lake is situated in Orissa. Okay, the next question, the capital of Mizoram as well. The Bihu is the traditional dance of which state? Assam. The London is situated on the bank of which river? Option D, Thames. By using map you can find option A, distance, B, direction, C, altitude. Option right answer is option D, all of this. Okay. The next question, dash is the supreme commander of the armed force. Right answer is President of India. The next question, which is the deepest ocean in the world? Right answer is Pacific Ocean. Then the India liberated Goa from Portuguese is 1961. Okay, next question, the Paris is situated on the bank of river. Option is Seine. Okay, then National Botanical Garden is situated in which city? Right answer is none of this. What is N1H1? The right answer is none of this. Part 2, General Science. Okay, first question, the most important ore of aluminium? Option A, bauxite. Okay, bauxite is the right answer. The next question, what is laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. Okay, nitrous oxide. The next question, the gas is used to extinguish fire. Carbon dioxide. Then the mammal which lay eggs is duck-billed Palitus. Okay, the next question, the laparoscopy is connected with right answer is option D, genealogical operation. Then the fourth state of matter, answer is C, plasma. The next question, which of the following is a mixture fertilizer? Correct answer is option D, NPK. Cow milk is a rich source of vitamin A. Okay, the next question, the typhoid is a disease of intestine. Okay, next question, the tooth which 3 roots is? Option A, molar. The saliva helps in digestion of protein. Okay, then the short sightedness is due to? The right answer is The right answer is weakening of the retina. Okay. The next question. The weight of an average human male brain is about. Option D, 1500 gram. Okay. #29 question. Which of the following the disease usually spread through air? The right answer is tuberculosis. Okay. Then next question. Water has maximum density at. Option B, 4 degrees Celsius. Then the ozone layer in the upper part of the atmosphere protect us where. Answer is ultraviolet rays. Then next question. The fuel for jet aeroplanes consists by purified gasoline. Next question. Which of the following is not a gland? Which of the following is not a gland? Answer is stomach. Okay. The next question. Long distance photography is facilitated by. X-rays. Option B, X-rays. Then in firework the green flame is produced because of. Option is barium. Okay. Next question. Mathematics. 36 to 50. First question. The area of the rectangular ground is 200 meter square. Its length 125 meter. Its perimeter. Option is the right answer is 450 meter. Okay. The next question. If 10 and 20 and x plus 40 are in the proportions, the value of x will be. The right answer is option B, 20. Okay. The next question. If 10th January 2004 is Tuesday, what will be the day on 10th January 2005? The right answer is Thursday. Okay. Next question. The cyclist cover 12 km in a hour. What is his speed in meter per minute? 200 meter per minute. The next question. The speed of 1 km per hour is equal to. The right answer is option C. Then the cost of 80 bananas at the rate of Rs 4 per dozen will be. The right answer is Rs 6. Option B. 42th question. The 12 men or 80 women can reap a field in 40 days. 8 men and 16 men can reap the same field in. The right answer is 6 days. Okay. Sorry, 6 days. Then the average of the height of 5 students having height 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. The right answer is 50. Okay. Next question. At what rate percentage per annum will a sum of money double in 8 years? The right answer is option A, 12.5. And 45 question. A man buys a toy for Rs 100 and sells it for Rs 1500. His gain percentage is. The right answer is 50. Okay. Then next question. 3 hours and 45 minutes is how many seconds? The right answer is 1,35,100. Okay. The next question. 45 30 percentage of 140 equal to x percentage of 840, then x value. The right answer is option 5. Then which one of the following is equivalent 6/20? The right answer is 30%. The square root of 4096 by means of factor is. The right answer is 64. Okay. Then the LCM of 2 into 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to. The right answer is C. Okay. இந்த வீடியோ ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தால் மட்டும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இது மாதிரி நிறைய கொஸ்டின்ஸ் போடணும் அப்படின்னா உங்களோட கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் நீங்கள் தெரிவித்தா மட்டும்தான் இது மாதிரி வீடியோ போடுவேன். ஓகேவா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்? பாய்.